Short squeeze is over, Nokia stock is going down after earnings, and AMC is not going to the moon anymore. Hi guys, my name is Elia and welcome to my channel. So let's talk about short squeeze first. What is short squeeze? As we all know, companies like AMC and GameStop were shorted. For GameStop, it was more than 100% short time. And what happens when price start going up? Shorts have to cover their position. They have to buy the stocks at the same price that it's trading right now. So they're losing money. The problem with short squeeze is that there is not certain period of time when they have to cover their short positions. It's not the same like with options. When you buy a put option, you have an expiration date and it will expire, let's say this Friday, and you have to do something about it by this Friday. With short position, the short position can be for years. And with GameStop, because it was going up that badly, this is why shorts were trying to cover it, because they were fighting with regular retail investors. With AMC right now, the situation is a little bit different. Yes, AMC went up, it was trading at 15, 16, 17, 18, and even $20, but then it went down. Today, on February 4th, AMC closed below $8. And it doesn't mean that short squeeze is over for AMC, but the problem here is that last week, Robinhood and other platforms blocked the ability to buy these stocks, and after they limited the amount you can buy. Right now, today, I'm pretty sure you can buy almost 5,000 shares and 5,000 options for AMC and around 500 shares and 500 options for GameStop, which is not enough. But the biggest problem is not in limitation how much you can buy. The biggest problem is that everybody is scared to lose money. Everybody's scared that something is about to come out, new rules, new laws. And as we all know, a lot of people did lose a lot of money. Like Dave Partner, he lost $700,000, and not everyone can keep the stocks. If you can afford it to keep it, you can keep it, like Mark Cuban said. But by the way, I'm not a professional advisor, I'm not a financial specialist, so I have no idea what I'm talking about. Don't listen to me. Just to give you a heads up. So with AMC stock right now, it's trading at 7 with some change below $8. I think that it will go up next week. But the problem here is a lot of people are scared. They're trying to sell their positions, and this is where shorts are playing. When shorts are putting price down with a short ladder attacks and other way how they can do that. Another problem here is in new traders. New traders are not buying at market price. They're trying to pay less, and when you're paying less, they're driving price down. Shorts are driving price down, so everybody's driving price down, and like I said, it can take weeks, months, or even years for the stock to go up and start doing their short squeeze. For right now, unfortunately, AMC is trading at $8, and I don't think it will close $10 and up this week, but it might go up next week. It all depends on people, it all depends on how market feels, how retail investors. The volume for AMC is going down every day. If yesterday it was around 400 million shares, today it's 250 million shares. We'll see what tomorrow will be. Fridays usually tending to be a little bit busier than in the middle of the week, but as I said, you cannot predict this. Sometimes it's higher, sometimes it's lower. We'll see. I still hold AMC position, and I'm planning on holding it for at least February, and then I will decide what to do with them. Depends on the situation. Another good news about AMC, that BlackRock, the biggest investing company in one of the biggest investing company in the world that managed $7 trillion, increased their position in AMC. In comparison with December, BlackRock owns more than 59% more of AMC shares in February. They filed the form to SEC 2 days ago, and this tells us something that BlackRock definitely knows something. Believe me, if one of the biggest investment company buying something, they're expecting something good. But like I said, it can be months, weeks, years, nobody knows. So it's a good news, but not the great news for us, because it doesn't really tell us the situation. But at least if they bought shares, it means they know what they're doing, and they definitely know something that we don't know. So I'm keeping my AMC for sure. But right now, Nokia just announced their earnings and they were good as expected. They even beat the expectation by a little bit, not a huge increase. But also Nokia said that 2021 will be challenging. And this is not a great news. This is not a great word to say when you announce your earnings, because everybody got scared. A lot of people, especially if they didn't read into earnings, they didn't know what's going on with Nokia company. They just sold off, and right now Nokia is trading around $4.30. The thing here is Nokia been trading around $3.80 to $4.60 for a while, so it kind of stopped on the same price range, so it's not a big deal, and earnings were good. They did pretty good in 2020 and they're expecting to do good in 2021. All analysts kept their buy rating for Nokia, and if you bought Nokia at the highest point, my suggestion, and again it's just my opinion, to keep it, because 5G is a huge thing and the market will grow. By 2025 market will grow at least 2 to 3 times. And like I said, Nokia partners with T-Mobile, one of the biggest cellular carriers in the United States, so 2021 should be good for Nokia. If you guys still have money, if you guys covered, maybe you sold your GameStop with a huge profit, if you needed a really good advice what to invest in my opinion, gambling stocks are booming right now. Gambling, especially online gambling, it's going to be a number one thing in 2021 because Corona is here. Technically, coronavirus kind of helped to gambling stocks. Look at DraftKings. It opened at $11 in 2020. You could have bought shares in March. I actually bought at $16, and right now, today it closed at $62. This is great. This is crazy. And besides DraftKings, there are a lot of other companies that are right now at the lowest point, but they have a great future. And I do believe in 2021, because of the corona is still here and it will increase, the market will grow, and this is a good buy-in point. I bought in my shares of RSI. It's Rush Street Interactive. It's a huge online gambling platform. They're one of the best in North America. They're operating in 2 countries, the United States and in Colombia. They're operating in 9 states, and just today they announced that they're opening in another state, in New Jersey. The market is huge, and football season were pretty good. People had nothing to do, they can go to casinos, so I'm pretty sure that online casino is our future, and people will definitely gamble by sitting at home with their family. It's the easiest way to do, and I think it's like more convenient right now than going to casino. So take a look at RSI, do your research before you invest, but I'm in and I bet it will go up. Earnings are pretty soon, so we're expecting something good to this company. And like I said, my name is Leah. Subscribe to my channel, hit that like button, and if you're still in short squeeze situation, if you can afford, just hold your stocks. You didn't lose unless you sold it. But if you can't afford, just sell it, cover your losses, and you should be okay. Don't listen to anybody. This is your money, this is your life, so if you want to sell it, but if you can afford to keep it, keep it. Take care. I'll see you in another video.